Hello there traders, and this video we're going to teach you about how to set up your EA or robot on MT4 platform using this EA price action robot EA, right? So what you're going to learn on this topic. So first you learn on how to set up EA on MT4 step by step. I will be teaching you on that step by step. So number two, we will be able to test your settings in MT4 tester. Your EA, we will use that to test on MT4 whether it is working or not. Alright, okay guys, I'm already in my screen. So before this you will go through with maybe in our website forexpipsplus.com, alright, or blog at forexpipsplus.com. So or in our YouTube channel we'll be showing this EA on how this EA works, alright. So, and this is the website that we will send it to you, alright. So all these settings and functions. So first thing we'll do now is download this EA, right? Download this copy here, click this button here, and then you have the download here, right? So you already have, alright. So and then what's the next step that you have to do is extract this EA, extract this copy, and then put it in a desktop. For me, I will put it in a desktop, right? Just click it, okay. And by then, since I already have, so I just cancel this because I already have in my desktop, right? So what we're gonna do now, what is the next step is we will open up our MT4, right? So open up your MT4 platform. So you can notice that here, guys, I am using the FXPrimus market. This is the MT4, this is the broker that I'm using. So if you need a broker or any types of broker you can use, but if you need it, you can click the link below down to this video. You can use that link so that you can have a broker, right? So make sure that you use the demo account first, right? So as you can see that over here, I already open up, okay. So next step that you're going to do is you copy this here, this X4 version, well, X4 file. This is the robot that we have. Then open up back your MT4 and then go to this, click here, go to this file, and then on your menu, right, you go to the file and then open data folder, click that, and then next step is go click this MT4 file and then experts, and then after that you click this here and then you paste that over here, right? So since I already have, so I just click it replace, and then it will replace what I have, right? So I just close that. After you close, so you go to your navigator. If you don't have that yet, you can click the video here, the view, then click navigator, right? Then you right click this here, right click and then refresh, right? Or another way is you close this MT4 and then open up back again, alright? So since I already have that here, so this is the version that you have, okay, Pips Plus price action A. So drag that here in your window, right? And then just click it, okay, alright? So it will show up that here. So by the way, if you didn't open yet any types of currency, so you can go down to here, click this plus button here, and then choose what type of currency what you want. So I choose maybe I will choose CAD US dollar, right? So okay, US dollar CAD, right? So this is that the currency pair that I'm going to try here, right? So I will do some settings and then right, all right. So I will pull that again, the EA here, and then pull on my window and then click OK, alright. So make sure that you put this auto trading when you're using your live trade already, alright. And next is you should see this smiling version here. If you didn't see this smiling version, if this is angry version like this, means your EA is not working, alright. So click that back and then make sure you see this, right? So as you can see that over here, EA is stop. Please key in your encrypted key. So make sure that if you don't have encrypted key or you expired your encrypted key, make sure you email us or message us, alright? So during your downloading time, you have this particular copy here, right? So just open that and then copy this encrypted key here, and then go back to your MT4 and then right click. The moment that you right click, you go to your expert advisor and properties, then you key in that this over here. All right. So if you are not using trial version, so you don't need to use this, right? But since you are using a trial version, so you have to key in this particular cryptid key, right? So guys, so you can see that over here there's a warning, so EA has stopped. So this is expiration date on your trial version. So if you need this EA, you can buy a full copy, so we will share that to you if you want. So just message, or you can buy that directly in our website right here, right? So you can buy that directly, right? So right, okay guys, so we already done our installation. So next step that we're going to do now is you have to we will try. So this is already live if you are having this, right? So next step is, by the way, the next step is we're going to use these properties here. So this video is a purpose of installation only, right? So you go through in our another video. So this another video on our YouTube or in our website here. So you go through that video, we will be teaching you on how to use this settings here, right? So this is another video they're going to use that, right? So okay, right, okay guys, so next step we will going to use this EA or robot. We're going to use this in our tester, right? So we will click the tester here. We will try whether this EA is working or not. All right, so first thing is you have to choose the date here. You have to choose the date. It depends on your availability of your date. And then this particular date here, make sure that your database or your MT4 has a database. So you're going to download that. By the way, the moment that you will try that, it will download it for you, right? Okay, next step is you already set up your date here, the date, and then your from and to when, right? And you click this visual mode, right? So this visual mode, you will be seeing that over here, right, later on, right? So you already choose that here, choose that your EA. So I will choosing that trial version. Then you click this expert properties, right? And then don't forget to put it back your cryptid key here. Don't forget to key in your cryptid key over here. And then try to use whatever is in the default, because the rest of the video, another video will be showing you how to set up this. All right, so we will try only whatever that I have here. So I'll be using this same time here, and then gap maybe 10 at the buy stop and then 10 at the sell stop, right? So I'll be choosing maybe 1 hour, just 1 hour, right? Then the lot size I'm using this here is how much my money is of 25,000. Maybe I can, this is a tester only, right? So you can use maybe one lot, right? The one lot is a $10 each pips, right? So this is your take profit. I will be putting maybe about, I will put a take profit maybe 40, and then my stop loss, okay, sorry, maybe I put it 50 here or 60, right? And then my stop loss maybe, just put it 100 and 100 each. All right, so it's up to you. This is just testing, so you can use that here. You can see that the magic number, just leave it, and then your true, and this is, I'll be closing time, I'll be putting that as a true also, right? And then I'll be putting my trailing start and trailing stop, so I'll be putting 20. So means the moment that I'm earning 20 pips, I will be start my trailing on right here, right? So trailing stop about 10 pips, and then trailing stop here, trailing steps will be $1 or maybe about $5 each, right? So the rest will be leave it, okay, just okay. And then I'll be start now. So just choose 1 hour here, and spread, maybe you can use the current, right? So click that here, start, and then next step that this tester, when you're going to use that, is it will sometimes it will download first, right? So I will be slowly that here, right? Okay, so you can see that here. So as you can see that the current time is 10 a.m. and this is a tester, and then my trade time will be at 8 a.m. Alright, okay, so try that, and then the moment that almost reach 8 a.m. the trade time here, so see that the current time. So just see this guys, and then so remember that this is just a tester, it's not live, this one. So just then we will be doing slow down the moment that it almost reached to 8. So I'll be showing you how the settings works, right? So 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so look at this, guys. All right, so I will be going slow down this one. So this is just a tester. All right, so as you can see that here, I'll be getting lower than right. As you can see that here, I'm choosing 10 pips, right? So it opened up the trade from the trade time, this is 8 a.m. and then it's open up, see that's just 10 pips, right? The buy stop is an 10 pips, and another one, okay, and the sell stop is 10 pips also, right? Okay, so how it works, right? So your gap high will be this one, right, from the current price, and then open up your buy stop order here, right? So you can see buy stop here, and then the sell stop is over here, right? So one lot and one lot, right? So it will open up both, because we are capturing only with big news and high movement in the market, right? Either the market will be shoot up or shoot down. So this is automated already, right? Because on another video I will be showing you how to choose the currency pair, which time is suitable for this EA. I will be showing that, right? So next, you can see this buy stop here. You have the TP about 100, right, just now, and then your sell stop, it's showing the sell stop is about your sell stop having SL as well, right? Okay, I will be bidding smaller this one, and then right. Okay, so the stop loss here, you have your SL here. This is your SL for your buy stop, and then this one, the SL is 100 pips also, right, for buy stop, and then your sell stop having SL as well, about stop loss about 100 pips as well, and then your buy stop having TP, sell stop also having TV about 100, right? So that is this A, how it works. So we continue this A, whether this testing, whether which portion he will going to hit, either buy or sell. All right, okay, so okay, look at that, guys. So what's happening, right? So it doesn't hit, right? It will click the expiration, right? So it doesn't hit. So 10 pips never hit. So we will continue that here. Okay, guys, as you can see here, guys, one of our trade on buy stop has been enabled. So means that the market after 10 pips above 10 pips hit our buy stop, right? So we're going to see this one, and it enables your TP with 100 pips and SL with 100 pips as well, since based on our settings. So okay, guys, so that is how it works. So if you can test this EA on your tester, so any types of currency. So make sure that this EA is mainly on the big news. So you can have check with another video that we have linked to this EA, whereby we are showing you on how to trade using this A during live news, right? So there is a news coming in, then we will be using this A, either the news will shoot up or shoot down, right? So that is very fast profit at the time, right? So if you have queries, if you inquire, so let us know by sending an email at admin@forexpipsplus.com or message us at Skype ID dongrags13. So thank you guys, and I hope God bless on your trading, right?